Someone sneezes near you, and without thinking, you say, "Bless you." You don't pause, you don't question it, you just say it. But have you ever wondered, why does a sneeze, a simple burst of air from the nose, deserve a blessing? Did people once believing sneezing could kill you? Did they think your soul was trying to escape your body? Or is this connected to one of the deadliest plagues in human history? The real reason is far stranger than you think. Thousands of years ago, people didn't understand germs, viruses, or allergies. When someone sneezed, it felt violent, sudden, uncontrollable. Air exploded from the body, eyes shut, head jerked forward. To ancient people, this didn't look normal. It looked like something was leaving the body. Many early cultures believed that the soul lived in the breath, and a sneeze was seen as a moment when the soul might accidentally escape. So when someone sneezed, people didn't say "bless you" to be polite. They said it to protect the person. They were trying to guard the soul from escaping. In ancient Greece and Rome, sneezing had a meaning. A sneeze was believed to be a message from the gods. If someone sneezed while you were speaking, it meant the gods agree with you. But if it happened at the wrong moment, it was a warning, a bad omen. And people believed words had power, so they immediately spoke blessings to reverse the bad faith. But the real turning point came in the 6th century, during one of the deadliest pandemics in history, the Plague of Justinian. People noticed something terrifying. One of the first symptoms was sneezing. A person would sneeze, and within days they would be dead. Fear spread everywhere. Pope Gregory the Great ordered that whenever someone sneezed, the people must immediately say, "God bless you." This was not politeness, this was an emergency prayer, a desperate hope that God might spare the person's life. And this habit spread across the world. Later, another belief appeared. People started saying that when you sneeze, your heart stops for a moment. It's not true, but the myth made the phrase even stronger. If your heart stopped, then saying "bless you" was like welcoming you back to life. What's fascinating is this habit exists everywhere. In German, people say "Gesundheit" meaning health. In Spanish, "salud." In many cultures, people offer a prayer. Different words, same instinct. Because for most of the human history, sneezing felt dangerous. Today we know better. Sneezing is just a reflex. Dust, allergy, cold air. Nothing spiritual, nothing deadly. And yet, you still say it. Not because you fear for their soul, not because of the plague, but because traditions outlive their reasons. So next time someone sneezes near you and you say "bless you" without thinking, remember, you are repeating a ritual born from fear of losing the soul, fear of angry gods, and fear of deadly plague. A tiny sentence carrying thousands of years of history. Look closer. There's always a story hidden in plain sight.